Hey guys, it's Charmise Idris, and today I am bringing you another charm DIY. I will be teaching you how to make body oil. Usually I use body oil whenever I get out the shower and before I dry off, and it just keeps me moisturized all day. But there's plenty other applications for it. You can see that in the blog below, and in that blog there will also be the specific measurements and step-by-step directions just in case you want to read it instead. So before we get into it, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so that you can know when I upload another DIY. So let's get into it.
So for this DIY, you'll need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I actually use fractionated coconut oil, and coconut oil actually helps hydrate skin and reduce fine lines. You also need 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, and I absolutely love grapeseed oil. It actually helps reduce inflammation, protect against free radicals, minimize wrinkles, and of course moisturize your skin. And lastly, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. This oil actually helps protect against UV radiation damage, retain moisture, and heal chapped and irritated skin. And if you want to add fragrance and keep it all natural, I actually added about 7 drops of lavender essential oil, but you can of course add whatever oil you like. So from there, you just have to mix them all together. I use a dropper bottle because I find it much easier to apply to my skin after a shower. In addition, if you want to actually infuse it with lavender, you can also add the lavender buds in the bottle. It looks actually kind of cool, and it adds a stronger smell to it as well. So this oil is actually much more than just a body oil. You can actually use it as a massage oil, a hair oil, a bath oil, and I also add it to my legs right before I shave just because it helps add moisture and it helps prevent against razor burn.